Grime in your face, grime for your dance, grime from the streets, grime for your yard. Grime in the veins, that means man can't starve. Grime to the end, and me not laugh.
So the media were talking, won't be long till they call off. Me there from morning, you never see me walk off. Everybody dead from the war, start warm up with all them there. And anybody figure bark up, come in and take talk. Make Babylon park up, they weren't here for the struggle or start off. Listen, this music culture, so me rise umbrella upon a vulture. Me no want no pagan come round, I might stand up at the front, might see like a soldier. But up it, beat and red, white body like yoga. Anytime my dogs them walk over, from long time in and these stripes for the shoulder. Bumper one smell the aroma.
Grime in your face, grime for your dance, grime from the streets, grime for your yard. Grime in the veins, that means man can't starve. Grime to the end, and me not laugh. Ayo, 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 ayo.
Me there for supporters, them there for the playlist. Some of them selectors have to follow orders, so they're never gonna play this. Killing with the latest, them have to make room, leave spaces. Step in a face, night boot tight laces. Send them and have a harpoon on the basis. They were true when grind needed saving. Me and them are not kosher, so we sky high race for the dark place. Been a ram with a skin with promoter. I tell the money up front on me, now chat. I run up on the stage and reel off. My belly have it full, my weed have it strap. I represent grime to the max, so I wanna see the gun fingers from the front to the back.
Grime in your face, grime for your dance, grime from the streets, grime for your yard. Grime in the veins, that means man can't starve. Grime to the end, and me not laugh.
Try to write the single, that the man them ain't making progress. They get gas when they hear a hit single, but don't wanna be a part of the process. That's why we part of them, the man they can't mix, not mingle. Can't hold on my management for a jingle. Only got time for the certified guns from back in the day when rinse was illegal. Me and them are not family, so you never see me blessed with a pagan. One time they don't try to bang me. I got fire when I burn that blatant one up on stage and never got burned.